If you need to send us documents electronically, we always recommend using FileExchange within our secure portal. To do this, click on FileExchange on the left-hand side of the screen, then select a folder. Click on Upload. From here, you have two options. You can either drag and drop the file, or you can click on Add Files to search for the document on your computer. Once all the documents you want to send are there, you need to select Start Upload. We will automatically receive a notification once the documents are uploaded. When we have successfully retrieved the documents you uploaded, we will then remove them from FileExchange.